Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I just want to quickly show you how to install the Plex application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, please do not forget to drop us a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So, if you've bought a Hisense TV and you're looking to install Plex, this is simply what you have to do. So here's my Hisense TV I'm using to show. So all you have to do is just go over to your app options or features here, and if you scroll through, you can see here is the Plex app here. So if I want to install it, all I have to do is just click here once. But now, if it's not featured here, then what I can do is go over to my app store and search for the application there. And you go over to your app store, all you have to do is just to type in Plex, or you can just browse through, but not to waste a lot of time. Let's just search for it here. So Plex is what we're searching for. So here's the Plex app, as you can see. Here's it here. All you have to do is just click on it once, and since it's already on the Hisense App Store, it's just going to automatically install to your Android TV. And this is how to install Plex to your Hisense Smart TV without any issues. If you find the video helpful, please drop us a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.